Independent events. Two events are said to be independent if the occurrence or non-occurrence of one does not affect the probability of occurrence of the other. For example, on rolling of a dice, let A be the event of getting 6 on the first roll. Let B be the event of getting 5 on the second roll. These two events are independent of one another. Important points. When two events A and B are independent, then conditional probability of event A when B is given is equal to probability of event A provided probability of event B is not equal to 0. Conditional probability of event B when A is given is equal to probability of event B provided probability of event A is not equal to 0. If A and B are two independent events associated with a random experiment, then probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A and B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. For three events, probability of A intersection B intersection C is equal to probability of A into probability of B into probability of C. Dependent events. Two events, say A and B, are dependent if probability of A intersection B is not equal to probability of A into probability of B.
For more such videos, download the iPrep app now.